FUTURECAST.com. All right, let's check in with Steve Pierce now. What a day this has been. We've been following that fire closely. You've got record temperatures, and
boy,
actually looks pretty nice out there at the beach.
Well, I tell you, Wayne, we were talking yesterday about how it felt more like August than it did mid-October. I finally see some light, so to speak, at the end of the tunnel in our 7-day forecast. We'll get to that in a second here. Nice day down at the coast. You see some clouds out there, the fog and low clouds along the coast. Been kind of pushing onshore and offshore all afternoon. 63 degrees down there in Lincoln City. No 80s on the northern Oregon coast, at least. It's definitely cooled down. Today versus yesterday is that wind shift, which we expected happened along the coast. Now 82 in Vancouver. That east wind still blowing at 8 miles per hour as we look south and east towards the Portland airport from our Riverview Community Bank camera in downtown Vancouver. And there is the Nokia fire, current conditions from downtown Portland, the Subaru Portland camera. 83 degrees, that relative humidity 24%, the dew point 42. That east wind's been blowing most of the afternoon, southeast now at 11 miles per hour. But I just checked an observation up in the Larch Mountain area of Clark County. Still winds gusting 25 miles per hour up there. Again, we snapped this earlier today when we had a higher sun angle, so the visible satellite picture is you can really pick it out easy. There is the Nokia fire and then the 2 additional fires up there in southwest Washington. And then also down, of course, we've been watching the one east of Eugene, Cedar Creek there for the past few weeks. Satellite and radar loop shows fog and low clouds out there along the coast. Lots of clear skies in the valley, although hazy sunshine. Ridge of high pressure up over the entire Pacific Northwest, whole western half of the United States. That system up there heading towards Alaska, not going to present any problems coming up this week for us. Record highs now, 86 in Portland. 80 was the old high set back in 2020. Troutdale, 83. Hillsborough and Vancouver, also new records there, both a pair of 86s. I think we've got about one more, and then we may be done for the season. There's those 2 86s in Portland and Vancouver. Notice south of Portland, when you're out of the east wind, those temperatures just in the lower 70s to mid 70s. Salem was 92 yesterday and a lot cooler on the northern Oregon coast. No more 80s over there, and 70s and 80s on the central and east side of the state. We do still have that fire weather warning up until 6 o'clock. That'll drop here shortly for Skamania, Clark, and Cowlitz counties up there in southwest Washington. The air quality warning also in effect all the way from the Canadian border down to the California border until 5 o'clock on Monday. Smoke forecast, it's going to be sticking around through today into tomorrow and through Tuesday as well. I don't see a big change in the upper air pattern until we get to later in the week. Now, FutureCast shows tomorrow morning, here's 8:30, we'll have some of those morning fog and low clouds all the way into the valley. It'll be brief. They'll clear out around 10 or 11 o'clock. And then on Tuesday, I expect less in the way of morning clouds, just very briefly. Here's 8:30 on Tuesday, then lots of sunshine Tuesday afternoon. I think Wednesday's going to be the one day this week where we escape with the last 80, perhaps, of the entire year. 7-day forecast, we'll go morning clouds tomorrow, 72 for a high. Notice we cool off those overnight lows down in the 40s. Tuesday and Wednesday, back to sunshine Wednesday, record high there of 80 on Wednesday. Still remains dry Thursday, but then look at that. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I know Adam and Wayne probably looking forward to some good old fall sports in the rain because that's the pattern change I've been talking about coming up.
Oh, we need it so badly. Can't come soon enough. Thank you, sir.